हाय गाइस, दिस इज सैसी शिफ सेज वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज के वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ आपके लिए मेरा वन स्टेप स्टाइलर। जी हाँ, दिस इज लाइक अ 2-in-1 प्रोडक्ट जो हेयर ड्राइंग भी करता है, स्टाइलिंग भी करता है एट द सेम टाइम. It takes care of my frizz and also gives me volume. So if you want to know what product I'm talking about, then keep on watching. So guys, आज का जो मेरा रिव्यू है, I mean the minute I bought this product from Amazon, मुझे पता था कि it's going to be like my constant and my favorite. Firstly, let me introduce you to the product. This is Agaro's Volumizer hair dryer. It comes in this really chic black and gold packaging और जैसा कि आप पैकेजिंग में देख सकते हैं, ये ब्रश भी बिल्कुल उसी तरह से है, ब्रश कम ड्रायर जो कि है. And I love the fact that it comes with 3 heat and 2 speed settings, which means आप अपने सहूलियत के हिसाब से जिस तरह से आपको हीट और स्पीड पसंद है अपने बाल की स्टाइलिंग और ड्राइंग के लिए आप उसे सेट कर सकते हैं. It's really easy to use. It's almost like you are brushing your hair and at the same time it's dried, it's styled. There's absolutely no frizz. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है because of the gold plating, there's a shine as well and lots of volume, जो कि इस humid monsoon weather में really essential है. So this product gets a double thumbs up from me. Firstly, it has a swivel cord, which means using it in any direction is easy and it's an amazing product on all your travels too. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, इसका gold surface 24K gold plated है, which means styling on any hair type, whether it's frizzy, whether it's really dry and coarse, whether it's curly, it's going to give you amazing results on all hair type. And this also ensures that heat is evenly distributed on your hair. इसका जो brush head है उस पे एक special ceramic tourmaline coating है and it also comes with ionic technology, which means it's going to take care of your frizz and it's going to give you really shiny and smooth volumized hair. I absolutely love the gold and black color combination. It looks so luxurious. I really have found my most favorite and go-to hair dryer cum volumizer. It is so gentle on my hair and especially my hair are like extremely thin और मुझे breakage का भी issue है. But when I use this brush, there were literally like 1 or 2 hair strands on the brush. That's about it. It's an amazing dryer. It's perfect to travel with. Agaro really brings forth some really interesting and affordable products in the market. So I highly recommend that you go ahead, click the link in the description, try it out for yourself and see the instant results for yourself. So guys, that is it from me today, but make sure you keep coming back to my channel, Sassy Shif Says, for more such amazing videos. And before going, hit the like, share and subscribe button. See you guys.